So we're doing the Fremont experience. Loving it so far. Just been on the zip line. Absolutely fantastic. Video on YouTube coming up real soon. Amazing experience. Absolutely loving it here. I mean, just look at the place. It's absolutely heaving. It's absolutely bouncing. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. But look at this.
And until this day, he still calls me Uncle Fred. We treat this band like a family. Two uncles and two nephews.
How can anyone say that Las Vegas is rubbish? It's brilliant. Love it. Definitely coming back. Can't wait. See you in a bit. So those circles there is where the like the buskers perform. Like there's the dancing gorillas, there's street artists all the time, girls that take photographs, you know, like these showgirls, they're all there as well. But tonight, for some reason, maybe because it's the weekend, they're not here. So I'm going to walk up now to the Irish bar, which is Hennessy's, and I'll see what's going on up on that end. But like I say, there's loads and loads of things to see, loads and loads of things to do, and it's an amazing place. Love it. Prime rib, $15.99 at Tony Roma's. That's between 4:30 and 6:30 p.m. But he also does lobster and steak after 9 o'clock. I think it's 9 till about 10 or something like that. I'm not too sure. But Tony Roma's is closing down in Las Vegas. Well, look at this, hang on. I'm going to get Lisa, hang on. My wife's here. Las Vegas.
Oh, love it!
Can't wait, but look at this. So he's doing artwork with spray paints and stuff. But look at that. See him a little bit. Sold 1 there, sold 2, sold 3, sold 4. But he's hard at work there doing all that. Got loads of casinos all around. There's just so much to take in, so much to do here on Fremont Street. It is an experience in itself, but you've got to try it. Do try it. Like I said, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe and hit the little bell. Even hype my videos because it all helps my channel. I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in a bit. Stay with me. Because I'm going to walk a bit further up now. Brilliant. Stages all around Fremont Street, playing live music, bars. But the best thing to do is go to the ABC store and buy your beer from the ABC. It'll save you a fortune. We bought like flasks and stuff with us. We bought flasks, and I'll show you the flask in a minute so you get past all this crowd because it is heaving. There's loads and loads of things to see. It's not the only dildo I've seen tonight. That's the third one tonight. I've seen sanitary towels, I've seen I don't even go to there because it's mad. It's mad. It's crazy. Absolute madness all around. But look at that ceiling. Look at that ceiling. It's absolutely stunning. And they have shows, like a specific show, doing like different arts and different features and stuff. Brilliant. Another thing about Fremont Street is the live traffic in between, so don't get caught because it is a busy road, and if you walk across you will get done for jaywalking. So you got to wait for the sign to change to walking because there's police all over the place and they will do you. Like I said, police, jaywalking, no. Like I said, there's busies everywhere, Metro Police. So be careful, be warned. I told you. Don't say I haven't because I told you. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe. Hit the little bell and don't forget to hype the video. See you in a bit. So as I said, I've just done Slotzilla, which is here. That's where you get your tickets. And I think it was like $69 each per person. You could also do a VIP package as well. You get a camera as well, but you got to pay extra, which you have done. I think it's like another $20, something like that. I'm not too sure. But I will, like I said earlier on in the video, I will put it all online in a bit. But you've got to keep watching, because before I go, hang on, watch this. Over there, yeah? Keep walking up. I'll win you in a second, she's panicking now. Can't do that. So, I didn't want to shout her, but over here is the Heart Attack Grill. It's closed now for some reason. I think the police are here, something's gone wrong, something's happened here. But you can stand on the scales. If you weigh £350, you can eat for free. If you can't finish your meal, they will whack you. So be warned. Right, what a crazy night this has been. I've had so much fun, so much laughs, so much enjoyment. Out this world, this Fremont Street experience. Honestly, try it. You must try it, because this is out this world. Absolutely superb, absolutely fantastic. My eyes are everywhere. I've had a few beers, something to eat. It's immense, absolutely immense, and I'm not just saying it. I mean it. It's brilliant. Come down and try it for yourself. Just look at this. Brilliant, honestly. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you think it's a thumbs down, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell, and don't forget to hype the video. I'll see you soon in the next video. Catch you later. Bye bye. Brilliant here, honestly. Madness. See you later. You all ready for Slotzilla? I'm just waiting for these doors to open. Here we go. Here we go, Lisa. Look at that. Woohoo! Yay! Wow! Oh wow! This is fire! Oh my lids! Wow! This is fantastic! Look at the roof! Wow! Oh my god! This is awesome! Oh wow! Look at that roof! That was. Oh wow! Yeah. That was amazing, brilliant, well worth it. Definitely do it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.